Hello everyone. This is a web application using the Flash framework. It primarily functionality in cloud user management, like add, update, and delete user. And then we use recommendation management, like manage insurance products recommendation records for users, and like add, update, delete, we all use. And the feedback management, it shows the handle user provide feedback. It shows here. And then we also use data filtering. It means that we use inner join to find all users. It's here. Inner join. And then I also use the filter to find the name, products, user ID, email, and other filters. And that's one I use content summarization, which means generate summary for recommendation records using with Gemini. So this is my Gemini API key, and you could see the data here. And then I use that to find the old data summary. Then after that, we're running on the URL. So you could see the login web. And then we have to input the account here. So let's input something like AA and is name email. Then we choose submit, and you could see the user and referral management here, and it shows add user, add recommended items, and feedback item list. That's one in a join query results. So this all shows user list. You could see clearly. Okay, that is done this. So that is choose the name, email randomly, and then we can use successfully add user data. So that is choose a random name like this, and choose the button. So you could see the data has successfully stored. Then we just update and delete here to make sure the data can update and delete. Then we could see the data successfully update, and then we just delete. Yep, the data successfully deletes. And then we see the add recommendation items, and it is same as the uh, form add user function. So let us choose a random word and choose random recommendation result. Like I paste the recommendation ID one. So the data is here. And then we can also modify the ID and the reason. And then I choose updates. So it is here. And then if I think that the data is not important, I choose delete. The data is successfully deleted. Then let us see the feedback items. It is same as uh, the recommending items and add user. So let us choose a random ID like 2 and feedback we can randomly input and then I use add feedback. So the new data is here. Then it's same as the two function. We just random modify updates is here and then we just delete. You could see the data is already deleted. Then that's one the inner join query result is different from other free functions. It shows that I can find someone's name and someone's uh, products and email and more. So let us see the product filter. Like once I choose health plan A, then I choose filter free. Then you will see the all health plan as information, and you can see the different name here. And then I also use the recommended summary page, which shows uh, the inner join query results here, and we could see the uh, product name, recommendation reason. So that aspect to recommend the summary page. And then once we click the button, so you could see the all information of the recommendation and products. So it shows that health plan A, health plan B, home insurance plan, and car insurance plan. And it shows the like health plan A says that comprehensive benefits best coverage for young families. And this is the insurance recommendation summaries function. So I also use the Gradle to fulfill the reg function, and I use Lantern to make Gemini and the MySQL together. Then this is the OData, all code, not OData. Then this is the Gradle function. So let us see the local URL. Then I can choose the question to ask the bot response my question. So let us show the question now. Like what is in the recommendations? Then the answer shows that the recommendation includes reason for choosing health plan A, health plan B, and car insurance plan. There are also some uninterpretable codes associated with health plan B recommendations. Then this is the Gradle with reg. So that is back to MySQL Workbench, and then let us check the feedback. And this is the feedback table. I could find the data whether successfully stored. So it is here. These all are the data I have set up before. And then I also delete the data that I've shown you. So you could not see the data. Then let us check on the recommendations. It's same to feedback. These are the data that I have set up before, but the data I have shown you is already deleted. Then that then I I want to show you the stuff. This is the login web that I have used. This function shows that once I choose the name and email, it's here. Once I choose the user and email, and then I choose submit, the data, the web, this web can successfully enter. Then if I don't set up the name emails, I cannot enter it. It shows that the 登录失败. So this is my final project. Thank you, everyone.